Hi, so today I'm going to be explaining to the best of my ability the process of oxidative phosphorylation. And I went ahead and drew this out, and this will explain the whole process. So the process is broken up into two. It is the electron transport chain, and after that we have the chemiosmosis. So the important parts you need to know: we have the inner membrane space where the protons will come, and we have the inner mitochondrial membrane. This is inside the mitochondria, otherwise known as the cristae. And we have the mitochondrial matrix as well, which ATP will be formed in. So to start it off, we have the NADH and FADH2, which is from the Krebs cycle, or otherwise known as the citric acid cycle. So that'll be carrying electrons through our electron carriers, and so these are the electron donors. They'll be carrying through the electron carriers all the way through to the other side where it'll make water, but let me get to that. So so it'll take out the H protons, the hydrogen protons, so it'll become NAD and NFAD. And where does the H go? The H, hydrogen, will go up through the electron carriers to the inner membrane space, and we'll have just a lot of hydrogen protons floating around for the meantime. So the electrons carry through from through all four of the electron carriers. So it'll go from the first one all the way to the third one, which is the second one, but and it'll go down into the fourth electron carrier. And we still have that one hydrogen proton left over, and whenever that reaches here, it'll make H2O. So we out of the electrons, so that'll be water. And for the remaining hydrogen protons in the inner membrane space, it will come down into the ATP synthase, and it will help form ATP. So it'll the hydrogen protons want to come back into the inner mitochondrial membrane, so the only way it can go is through the ATP synthase. And whenever it goes down, this is the process called chemiosmosis. So this is the second part of the oxidative phosphorylation process. The first one was electron transport chain, which is where the electrons move through. So the hydrogens will move down into the ATP synthase, and it'll take ATP and add the hydrogen proton to that, and it'll make ATP out of this. So I hope this is a simplification of the way oxidative phosphorylation works, and I hope I explained this as best as I could. Thank you.